One of the best ways to avoid an accident is to let other drivers know what you're going to do before you do it. Use your turn signals. Every time you make a turn, merge into traffic, change lanes, or pull out from a curb. Signal about 5 seconds ahead of time. When making a turn, be careful not to put your signal on too soon, especially if there's an intersection or driveway between you and where you're going to turn. Someone might think you're turning sooner than you really are. Likewise, don't pull out in front of a car just because its signal is on. It may be turning beyond you, or the driver may have forgotten to turn the signal off. Freeway merging can be difficult, or quite simple. The trick is to accelerate to match the speed of traffic that you're merging into. Be sure you signal, check your mirror, and look over your shoulder. Look for an open space. If you're going at or near the speed of traffic, it's usually not too hard to pull ahead or move back to merge into an open space.